Hello, uh, I'm going to talk about what I did this week for my DeepYou project. DeepYou is a sentimental profiling applications of a specific Twitter user based on his historical tweets, past tweets. Yes, this is my GitHub repository, this is my GitHub project, and let's go through my notes on README. And this is the Week9, and I did some. I did emotional. Now emotional data can be shown on the graph on the web browser. This is what I worked on, and also datetime picker is it's not date, just date. Date picker is implemented, and I did some preparation for deployment. And let's see how is my project going from Kanban board. I actively using my Kanban board, but this week I don't have that much open issues, because I already done most of the things for my project. So there's one issue here in testing, because it's had a little bug. I need to fix it, and still this deployment stuff is in progress now. I use my wiki page also actively. I took some notes for what I learned, actually not everything, but usually, yes, for the new stuff, or if I have a teammate, for example, and if he needs to like configure all the environment for launch this application, or use how is going to be used, how is the structure, and if my teammate can take a look at my wiki page, and it's easy to start to develop it. Yes, okay. Anyways, let's see this is my project folder. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's start the application to see. No. Okay, let's see how is it. Okay. Welcome to DeepYou. This is a homepage, welcome page, I can say. And I need to work on the user interface still. It is not the last version of my project, but yeah, it's I can say that this is a low priority for the DeepYou project, because my requirements were I prioritize my requirements, and I'm working on my requirements which have a high priority. And the user logs in via Twitter, clicking that button, and it asks for permission to read tweets from your timeline, and you need to give authorization to your to DeepYou. If your tweets are public, it's okay, but if you have a private account, you keep your tweets private, you should give a permission, otherwise you cannot see your emotional analysis. Yes, this is then after you log in, you can see here my Twitter username. Then you select your start date and end date. This is a calendar look. Actually, I did a little investigation about it. What is the best way to for user interface to allow user to select the dates. Calendar look is the best one, because user can see everything clearly. Yes, let's select it and click Analyze button. Now it makes a post request, and as you can see, it takes some time. I'm planning to show the user some loading icon, or like we're like analyzing or something, or I can show user to their tweets and also what are the emotions of those tweets. For example, here I shared the tweets in the past, which is QA engineer walks into a bar, orders a beer, and it says that it is fun tweet. Actually, it was fun tweet. I think it's correct. And some of my tweets are Turkish here. Those are not those ones doesn't have the correct analyze results. But I can here we can see the graph, the results of the sentimental profiling, and with the universal emotions are the joy, sadness, fear, anger, happy. Based on those, those are my emotions, but I felt on my tweets: sad, boredom, happiness, fun. If you share just one tweet, you're gonna see just one emotion. And I also created a fake Twitter account. Every day I try to tweet from that application and from that user, and that user because for my final project I need something in English. Then I'm going to use it. Yes, okay. Then this is that. Yes, and requirements text file I am going to use Docker for deployment. And when you give a requirements text file to Docker, it's just one line of command. It just creates your environment for you. That's why creating a requirements text file, and it is I use to create automatically the requirement text file that pip breaks. It was pretty easy to do it. And yes, that was what I did this week for DeepYou project. Thank you for listening. See you next week. Bye.